This client is a regional headquarter of a global multi-sensor metrology solutions provider. They manufacture a complete range of dimensional and 3D measuring technologies to develop, maintain and qualify production processes. Each of the client's machines produces text files with more than 10 variables and 32,000 data points for every process. The data could not be imported into a spreadsheet easily for viewing or analysis. Individual data points had to be manually copied and pasted into relevant cells in Excel files, to analyze the data. The manual process takes a few days to complete for each process. Gleematic software can extract information from text files, populate columns with data of relevant variables, and automatically compute top-line summaries such as minimum, maximum, and averages for each variable, in just 1 minute. Gleematic works up to 5 times faster than humans, saving 3 to 4 FTES. Gleematic is almost 100% accurate, preventing human errors. As employees only have to monitor Gleematic progress, they can focus on more important tasks. Since they need not attend to these mundane and repetitive tasks, they will be less stressed and be more motivated to do other value-added tasks.